Ahead of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, the BJP has released its first list of candidates for Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls. It includes the names of Syed Shokaf, Gayur Andrabi, Shri Arshad Bhatt, Shri Javed Ahmed Qadri, Advocate Syed Wazahat and more. Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls are set to take place in 3 phases, and the list by the BJP, first list rather, including the ex-ministers Bali Bhagat and Sat Sharma, have been dropped. What we can see in the list that has now been unveiled by the BJP, the first list of Jammu and Kashmir candidates has been released after the CEC meeting. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Ashik Mir. Ashik, as we can understand, the first list after this crucial CEC meeting in the Jammu and Kashmir polls has been now released. Many names have been dropped, but many have also been surprisingly included. The first list has come. 10 candidates for phase 2 elections have also been announced. What are the latest that you are picking at this point of time? What are the surprises and what are the shocks of the list that has been released by the BJP in Jammu and Kashmir?
बिल्कुल सिमरन, अगर हम बात करें जम्मू कश्मीर में बीजेपी की तरफ से एक लिस्ट जो है अभी आई है, जिसमें कई सारे कैंडिडेट के नाम आए हैं और कुछ ऐसे भी है जो काफी स्ट्रांग माने जाते हैं, उनके नाम फिलहाल इस लिस्ट में नहीं है। लेकिन इस बीच अगर हम ओवरऑल देखें, जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज है खासतौर पर जम्मू में किस हिसाब से पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज हो रही है बीजेपी की तरफ से, इस लिस्ट को काफी अहम माना जा रहा था, क्योंकि बीजेपी जो है इस स्टेट में जो है सोलो जा रही है इलेक्शन लड़ने के लिए, इनका कोई अलायंस नहीं है। हालांकि अगर हम ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट्स की बात करें जो 2019 के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में हुई है, उसका क्रेडिट कहीं ना कहीं बीजेपी को मिल भी रहा है। और आने वाले इलेक्शंस में ये पता चलेगा कि जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स के नाम अनाउंस हुए हैं, क्या वाकई तौर पर वो इस चीज को पिकअप कर सकते हैं या इस चीज को वो कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं वोट्स में, जो डेवलपमेंट्स आज जम्मू कश्मीर में देखने को मिल रही है। फिलहाल एक लिस्ट जो है आई है जिसमें कई सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिनके नाम है, और इनमें से भी कई सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिनकी उम्मीदें थी कि उनका नाम भी इस लिस्ट में आ जाएगा। लेकिन फिलहाल आने वाले वक्त में ये पता चलेगा कि वाकई तौर पर क्या बीजेपी पर यहाँ पर लोग विश्वास करते हैं या नहीं। फिलहाल यहाँ पर जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं उनकी तरफ से कई सारे मैनिफेस्टोज भी दिए गए हैं, और बीजेपी ने भी अपना मैनिफेस्टो जो है हाल ही में दे दिया। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात यहाँ पर यह है कि जितनी भी डेवलपमेंट आज तक हुई है, क्या उस पर अब बीजेपी को यहाँ पर वोट मिलता है या नहीं, ये आने वाला वक्त बताएगा। जी सिमरन।
All right, Ashik, of course, the list for the 3 phases of the Jammu and Kashmir elections has been released by the BJP, and many names have also been dropped, as we can see. Let's take a closer look at what have been actually made it to the list. As you can see on your screen right now, for the first phase, which is on your screen at this point of time, for the 2024 assembly elections of Jammu and Kashmir, there are names that have been made it to the list. From Shopian, we have Javed Ahmed Qadri that has been named by the BJP, and there are nearly 15 candidates that have been released as in the list by the BJP for the first phase. And when we talk about the second phase, which is right now on your screen, there are nearly 10 candidates, exactly 10 candidates that have been named in the list, and from very crucial places where even the terrorist attacks have happened, like Raisi, the Kuldeep Raj Yadav Dubey has been named in the list in Jammu and Kashmir, and the second list has 10 candidates, the first has 15. Then in the third phase for the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, we have nearly more than 19 candidates, as you can see on your screen, that have been released by the BJP, where these 19 candidates will actually have the names of most of the important BJP candidates, even from Ramgarh and also from Jammu East and Basoli and Banni areas, where Udhampur West also has a mention of the candidate Pawan Gupta being nominated as a candidate by the BJP for the third phase in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly election. The list has been released this morning, and remember viewers, Jammu and Kashmir elections to begin on September 18th, and the 3 phases of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections list has now been announced.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.